Hello everybody, hello to the Bambu Lab community. I'm not going to lie, I'm a total noob in the FDM printing, and I bought the X1C in order to not mess around too much in the printing world. Just input the file and forget about everything, because you pay the price for exactly this. And for the first maybe 3 days it was great. On the fourth, fifth and sixth day it starts to degrade. However, on the first days I've been able to print everything that I throw on this machine, and I was so happy that I was almost imagining myself being able to produce parts and actually sell them. However, something annoying had started to appear. The materials that I have, it's the PLA, also PETG, and the PLA CF, the carbon version. This is the only thing that I had throw on that machine. I also have ASA and the PAT CF, but I still didn't try myself to print something on with those materials, because I first need to figure it out how this machine works and what I need to do, if I need to do something, or it's just put the new filament, start, run it and forget about it. But unfortunately that is not the case, just as I mentioned. So on the fifth day I was seeing a lot of degrading, and mostly on the PETG material. This is the basic one, and the nozzle gets a lot of particles here on the tip, and they mess the printer. They mess the print. They didn't mess it so badly, but I was having some issues, and like for example here, where no, this is almost okay. But anyway, I was having issues printing this, and every single time that I was about to print, I put the temperature high at 255 degrees Celsius and I clean it manually, then I run the print. So this means that this cannot be operated from a distance, because you need to wipe everything just before the print, and even meanwhile sometimes. So I was okay, maybe it's not what they mentioned, maybe it's not that good, maybe whatever, I will do the cleaning job, and if this is the thing that it will makes it run, I'm almost happy with it, almost. However, on the sixth day I was able to output this small prototype of shaping and stuff like that, and it came out pretty nice from PETG. Very round shape, I like it a lot. So I was thinking, okay, yesterday night I will print the entire product that I've been building. I started several times, but as soon as I hit start, something happened, man, and this nozzle is dragging onto the part, and it's making me go crazy just by hearing how badly it's dragging on the piece, on the material. And I just stop the print, because I cannot bear to withstand that noise and see the printer doing something that it doesn't have to do. As you may see here, we have some filament also. We have mismatch shape. I don't know how you guys call this, maybe stringing or I don't know. But anyway, so I again reset the printer, I mean factory reset it, recalibrate it from the beginning. For some reason I lose the Wi-Fi connectivity for about an hour. Maybe my router had been giving me the same IP to one of the cell phones and to the printer the same, so it just lose connectivity. But anyway, for some time I wasn't having Wi-Fi. Then I've been able to switch my phone's hotspot, so I connected. As I mentioned, recalibrate everything from just factory reset, and I exchanged the filament just because the PLA was exceptional, man. You cannot see any imperfection on this part except for the hangings here, because they are too deep, and I wasn't able to print them well. But anyway, I knew that I need to change the design. So yesterday I put the PLA CF just because I like the matte color, and again it started just as the other one. We have the stringing here, not so pronounced like on the PETG. But maybe because it's a textured material and you are not able to see it very well. But anyway, still I can see some filament here and there, or some internal fraction. I don't know how to say it, but anyway, so I watch it to this moment, then I go to sleep, and when I get back this morning, it was just like that. So I get it. The nozzle gets clogged. Okay. For this application, just before to get to the idea that it was clogged, it is clogged, I disassembled the entire printer. I clean every single rod. I perform every maintenance that I've been reading about in the website, and I'm hoping that for some reason, or I'm hoping to achieve the best result, just like I take it out from the box with the new extruder, or the new hot end. I'm sorry, but before that I noticed something, because I came from another tech industry, and I clearly want to see how this nozzle is compared to the other one. So this is the dimension of the nozzle. (4736). And maybe it is to one side, I cannot see, but maybe it is. So 47, 36, 37, and this is the completely new nozzle, or hot end. Tenths of a millimeter are out from one to the other. Yep. And I came to one conclusion, that even the tip I see that here it's perfectly round, but here it is kind of wasted to one direction, and this direction comes from this piece. Can you see this? This wiping, I don't like it. I don't like steel touching steel and dragging on top of it. You can see that this is a bare metal. No matter that it is flexing, this creates wear, and this wear appears on the nozzle. And guys, okay, you will tell me, but you have auto leveling bed. Yeah, definitely I have this, just like you. But when this piece drags on top of something, the composure of this hole, it's not going to be round as it is just like being manufactured. This wear will eventually waste the hole, and if we are losing also the material from here, I don't know what this can cause, but I can definitely see that. You may see it's more wider on this part, on this side, than on the other. If anybody has any clue of what are my issues of dragging, please put it on the comments, because I'm really not so excited anymore about this printer. Don't get me wrong, I love it from the beginning. It is the best machine that you can buy, that money can buy, and have it on your home or your hobby shop or stuff like that. But I don't want to deal with this. This is why I bought it. This is why you guys bought it, because you don't want to deal with all that stuff. Same thing on this side. It just, I didn't print too much PLA and it didn't eat in the material. Yet. I am thinking that here on every single plate they should put some metal mesh at least. But anyway, it will still eat in the nozzle. Okay guys, those are my issues. I hope that somebody can point me in any direction. Anyway, I'm about to exchange the nozzle, and I will factory reset it again for a 5th time this week, and we'll see if the new nozzle will manage to repair all my issues, or to take away my issues and be able to print again. But if the nozzles are lasting just 5 days, I don't know how many I should buy for a year. Stay safe guys, bye.